Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I was born in Jalandhar, India, in a village and went to school, which is a very, very famous school called Nangal Ambiya.
Did you completed all the education from that institute?
No, I only completed primary.
So what about your higher education?
When I came to Pakistan, I was going to school called Gojra. Then I graduated from Government College, Saiwal in 1954. And after that, then I went to American Embassy. I went to California. The only job for people like me was available at the farm to pick fruit. I suffered through and did that for 2-3 months and so forth. So after graduating, then I tried to find a job again. 60-70 years ago, the life was different. If your hairs are not golden, your eyes are not blue, you could not get a job. So I could not get a job anywhere. Even though I am graduate from Pakistan and I went to America, they did not accept my graduation. So I had to go to college again. And when I graduated again, I called one of the CEO. I don't know why and how, but somehow he accepted the calls. So I told him that I came from Pakistan. I told him the Pakistan story, that whatever I could in a very short time. I said, I want to come and learn something. So please give me opportunity. I went there to his office and he called the HR head. I think we should hire him as a clerk. He'll be good. So she said, no, he has accent. It will drive away our customers. He said to me, we'll hire you as a peon. And I went outside. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bring something in my head. I went back. I knock on the door. What do you want now? I just want to tell you, I want you to know I'll be your manager soon. Took me 5 years and I was a manager. And at that time, they only had one store. Uske बाद अल्लाह मियाँ की अल्लाह बहुत रहमत. I opened second store, third store, fourth. और totally I opened 35 stores और 5 रियासतों में. उसके बाद I went for हज. जब अमेरिका से आप हज पर जाते हैं और पाकिस्तान आते हैं तो ये बड़ा फन्ने खान. So from Mina to Arafat back to Muzdalifah to Mina, we had no food, no water, so I got very sick. So my plan was to come to Pakistan. When I came to Pakistan, I was very sick. I went to the hospital. So when I went to the hospital, then somebody told them, came from America. So everybody came running and they took very good care of me. Before I came there, I got a very big, fancy whole plan from America to build, people build कोठी, बंगला, जो कुछ है, 1 कनाल पर. कई बनाते हैं 8 कनाल पर. मैं 8 एकड़ पर बना रहा था. 8 acres. So जब मैं अस्पताल में गया तो then they treated me like I'm the king. When I came out of the hospital, वहाँ बूढ़ी लेडी बच्चा लिए रो रही है, उसको कुछ नहीं मिला. बूढ़ा बैठा है, उसको कुछ नहीं मिला. तो that is my turning point in my life. मैं भी इंसान हूँ, वो भी इंसान है. So then I came and told my family, ये कोठी वगैरह ख़त्म. 2005, I was in New York and I heard on the news about the earthquake. I was in New York. तो मैंने अपनी वाइफ को कहा, I'm not coming home, I'm going to Pakistan. And then I came to Pakistan and रमज़ान शरीफ का महीना था. So every सुबह रोज़ो रखने के बाद we used to go, रात को to load the truck and we go in different places, जहाँ भी लोग थे. बस कि हम we went to places where nobody went. Matter of fact, one place we went, even the jeep would not go there. I carried things on my head or on my shoulder. Then we hired people. So पूरा महीना 2 महीने हमने वही काम किया. So that was the beginning of Sabahons. I started at the age of when I was 29 a young man. 40 साल हमने किसी से पैसा नहीं लिया और किसी को बताया भी नहीं. हम ये काम कर रहे हैं तो फिर आकर करते. फिर जब ये यहाँ ऑर्फन बच्चे वगैरह हुई, हमने उनका करना शुरू किया. तो मैं कहता हूँ we started at the age of 29. 40 साल किसी से पैसा नहीं लिया. I work 10 to 12 hours a day, 7 days a week.